Thank you, Commissioner. Witness C, you were at paragraph 111, please.
Thank you. Mr. Matlala also indicated that there was an instance when General Sibiya's son was getting married, and he was invited to that party thereof. And at that event, he had given General Sibiya an amount of 300,000 in support to of that marriage or a party. At another instance, he indicated that I can rather say it also in the vernac that he used. He said, yeah, General Sibiya, urata mali chelete dama. So meaning that General Sibiya loves money a lot, because he was the time he went to his office at the national head office of SAPS, whereby he wanted a resolution into the issue of him utilizing the clinic at Pretoria West SAPS Academy. And then General Sibiya instructed him to place the money in the dustbin at his office. It was like he has a bathroom attached to his office.
Witness, you've been specifying the amounts. Was this amount not specified? Just say place money.
Thank you, Commissioner. For this amount, he didn't specify as to how much it was. And that question was never also asked as to how much was it.
Witness C, please then proceed to explain the contents of paragraphs 112.
Thank you. In January 2025, Mr. Matlala indicated that General Sibiya informed him that he is buying a plot in Midrand, and the plot was to be registered under the names of his wife, and they are intending to convert that plot into a bread and breakfast. And for that, Mr. Matlala has indicated that he had given General Sibiya an amount of 2 million rands towards the purchasing and the for the B&B. And he had also indicated that these 2 million rands, he had personally gave it to General Sibiya at the house in Sandton, as he was directed by the general himself. This is the same house that I have indicated earlier on in my evidence, that this is where a character known as Serge Kabonge also owns or resides at the same estate.